Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Thanks for joining me. Today I have a 2-for-1 split front card technique. Let's get started.
I have one of the card bases from the kit and I'm cutting it down. To 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. I'm going to measure 1/2 inch down from the top on the left and 3/4 inches. 3 inches over from the bottom. And 3 inches down from the top on this side. Then I'm finding that 1/2 inch mark and the 3 inch mark on this side. And the 3 inch mark down here. And the 3/4 inch one there. Erase any remaining pencil marks. Save for card number 2. For card number 1, I have a piece of soft sea foam measuring 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 for a card base. Fold that in half and burnish on the score line. I have 2 1/2 inch strips of mossy metal cardstock. I'm going to flip this over and add liquid glue to this diagonal edge. And then adhere it on here. And then I'm using this as my guide to trim. And again, diagonal, place my glue along here. I have a piece of basic white cardstock, again measuring 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. These are going to go on here, but I'm going to stamp in between there first. I'm using crushed curry ink, Versamark ink, and the honeycomb stamp from the kit. And I also have a chamois here for cleaning my stamp in between. So ink in the Versamark, then in the ink and stamp. Clean, repeat. Apply clear embossing powder and heat set. Apply foam adhesive strips from the kit. put dimensionals on the back of the flower head and doubled it over here on this side. I have a dimensional on the back of the bee. Happy Birthday was stamped in Lost Lagoon ink. Card 1 is done. On to card 2. I have a piece of Lost Lagoon that's 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and I've embossed it with the exposed brick folder. I have a card base of basic beige that's 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored in the middle at 4 1/4. And here's that leftover piece again. To apply adhesive to the back of this, just have a sponge here. Pounce it. And tuck under the edge. Flowers here with a dimensional. Happy Birthday was stamped in Lost Lagoon ink and cut apart. And there's the second card with the split front technique. And there you have it, 2 for 1 with the split front card technique. Which one's your favorite?
Find written instructions over on my blog at... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!